At first, those charts might seem confusing with all the lines and colors, but the more you watch the charts, the easier it will be to understand. Sticking to just 2 strategies will also help build patience and discipline, very important qualities for trading. Congratulations! You started trading and you now understand the basics of the market. But the hard part comes now. The next challenge is mastering the tools that can guide your decisions. In this video, let's understand charts and patterns, which are your first steps in your trading journey. At first, it can seem overwhelming, but with time and practice, they become second nature. Learn about basic patterns like bullish engulfing, where a big green candlestick completely covers a smaller red one. It indicates a possible price increase. Dojis look like plus signs and show indecision in the market. The head and shoulders pattern looks like a person's head and shoulders and signals that the price might reverse direction. Some of you may start recognizing these patterns from your market watching days. After you have studied this for some time, make observations. At first, those charts might seem confusing with all the lines and colors, but the more you watch the charts, the easier it will be to understand. With Punch's single screen trading app, you can easily spot these patterns. Download the Punch app and start trading with confidence. Now let's pick 2 simple patterns to practice trade. One of my favorites are the double tops and the double bottoms. These patterns are excellent for new traders because they are relatively easy to identify and often signal significant trend reversals during the day. Don't try to be the next trading wizard right away. Practice trading is your best friend at this stage. Just focus on getting comfortable with recognizing a setup and actually making a trade. Sticking to just 2 strategies will also help build patience and discipline, very important qualities for trading. Once you're comfortable with these strategies, you can move on to more advanced patterns. For now, let's focus on the basics and take it one step at a time. Learning takes time, so don't rush it. Enjoy the process like savoring a good slice of pizza.